Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Dandruff and hair fall commonly stem from scalp imbalance and inflammation. Poor shampoo choice, overstyling, and stress worsen shedding and flaking quickly. Check for oily buildup or dryness, and look for red or itchy patches. Treatments range from medicated shampoos to topical antifungals and nourishing oils. You can reduce loss by improving diet, sleep, and scalp blood circulation. This guide shows practical steps to stop flakes and strengthen hair faster. Follow the routine consistently for 6 to 12 weeks to see clear improvement. Start with a medicated shampoo formulated for dandruff and hair fall control. Use it 2 to 3 times per week, massaging the scalp for at least 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and avoid hot water, which irritates and dries the scalp. Twice weekly, apply 1 tablespoon of nourishing oil and massage 5 minutes to boost circulation. Reduce heat styling and chemical treatments to prevent breakage and irritation. Prioritize 8 hours of sleep and daily stress management to support hair growth. Keep a simple schedule and follow it consistently for best results. Shampoo 2 to 3 times weekly with a medicated product and oil massage twice weekly. Expect visible improvement in 6 to 12 weeks when you maintain the routine and healthy habits. If flakes or severe shedding persist beyond 12 weeks, see a dermatologist for stronger topical options or prescription tests. Track changes with photos and a diary to report progress accurately. Stay consistent and patient while protecting your.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.